Hey guys, this is Rob Farian with Flying V Group. Today we're doing a tutorial on keyword research. We actually had a watcher request this, so we're going to go ahead and give him his request. If you guys have any requests for videos you'd like to see from us, we'd be more than willing to do them as well. But we thought this would be a good one just because of how important keyword research is to what we do as a firm. So obviously, if we're building a new website for a client or running a search engine optimization campaign, we need to know how to identify keywords and what keywords we're going to target and everything else. This tutorial is not going to be about the competitiveness of keywords and determining which keywords are right or wrong. We can probably do that in another tutorial, but this one's going to be about how to find those potential keywords, what other competitors are using as far as keywords go in order to position your client in the best possible position, or your own business in order to rank for keywords. So kind of doing this on the fly, so bear with me if we run into some issues, but this will be good because this is literally the exact process that we use as a firm in order to do keyword research for our clients. So we're going to use windshield replacement. We actually have a client that we did this for, so that's the one that I'm going to use. And we're going to go ahead and do Phoenix windshield repair in our search here. And so we'll see, we obviously have our AdWord, or excuse me, not our AdWords, but our map results. We've got our top ranking guys. This is our client right here, actually, Camelback Auto Glass. So it looks like right now they're 6th or 7th, not too bad on the results. But we've got Safe Pro right here. We've got Dealer Auto Glass AZ, and then we've got Southwest Auto Glass Repair. So I'm going to take those three. So that's kind of what we do to start, is we'll say, okay, we've got our 3 top guys that are ranking highest for these keywords. Let's check out what it is that they are doing. So I've got them here in these new tabs. So I'm going to dump over to Safe Pro here. Obviously, this is their homepage. We can get into some deeper pages as well if you want to see what they have going on from a headline standpoint goes, or keywords. But then what I'm going to actually do is just get in here and I'm going to go right click and I'm going to look at this page source and click that. So this will actually give us the source code for the page. And then from here, I am going to Control F, and I'm going to start searching for their different heading tags that will hopefully give me an indicator of what keywords they are targeting. Be careful when you're doing this, because obviously some sites might not be configured correctly. For instance, looks like we have 22 H1 tags on this page, so they might be running multiple H1 tags on this page when in reality they should probably only be having one. So I'll go through here. I'll start to see different keywords that are headings, I guess. Get up to 150, insurance windshield replacement. Let's see. Got welcome to Safe Pro. That's not a great one. Schedule $150 cash back. So it looks like they have multiple H1s, but here we go. Windshield replacement Phoenix. These should probably be our subheaders, but you see the point. You can start to see, what kind of phrases they're using in their search terms. So if we want to look at H2 headings as well, we can start to see that type of stuff. So Phoenix location, there's their areas served, window repair or replacement quote. So yeah, you can see that. So let's jump to the next one. Now we got AZ Dealer Auto Glass. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing. You can right click, view page source. Now I'm into their source code. Maybe this one's situated a little bit better. Control F, and then I'm going to search for that H1 tag. Okay, so here we go. This is a good one. We have one H1 tag on this page, which is ideal. So on this page, Dealer Auto Glass rated #1 for windshield replacement Phoenix, and Phoenix Auto Glass shop near me. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Windshield replacement Phoenix and Phoenix Auto Glass shop near me. Okay, we can hit H2 as well. These are their support headlines. lifetime warranty, customers, your time. Welcome to Dealer Auto Glass of Arizona. That's a keyword there. Need window tinting. Let's see if we can pull anything else out of here. All right, $150 back with a windshield replacement insurance. Okay, we're seeing that a lot. Okay, so cool. We got some info there. And when you're doing each of these, make sure you're keeping track of what these competitors are targeting. Now we'll get to Southwest Auto Glass. Search again, right click, Control F. Our H1, we've got 12 of them. Wow, this is a little tougher to see. This is just stuff we don't care. Here we go. The best windshield replacement in Phoenix. All right. There's one. Let's see what else we can find. Free quote isn't great. Nah. Okay. Now let's get into H2. See what we can find there. Get out of this stuff. There we go. Mobile repairs, replacement, and installation. Okay. Your Phoenix windshield replacement experts. All right. That's not really, shouldn't be a heading, but okay. But as you can see, guys, we're starting to get an idea of, okay, what keywords are these guys using? All right. So that's how you do that as far as on another competitor's site. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back now to my Google search result. And another thing that we like to do is just use Google as far as what other people are searching. So here we're looking searches related to Phoenix windshield repair. So we got windshield chip repair, cheap windshield replacement. There's our cash back type stuff. I would note all of these, and these are other ways in that you might be able to get a page that's designed around one of these specific keywords. Because remember, Phoenix windshield repair is going to be one of the most competitive keywords because it's Phoenix, a big area, windshield repair, that's the service that we're offering. So sometimes from an SEO standpoint, it might be worth it to, hey, on a sub page, let's target one of these lesser competitive keywords and hopefully rank to the top of that page, do our technical SEO on the page, get our rankings up there, and then start to target some of these higher and more competitive keywords. So that's what we can use from Google. So get used to it, go on, test out, pick an industry, find the sites, go through with what I gave you there, and you can research, what other guys are doing. And even if you get on their site, I mean, it kind of starts to look like you can get an idea. Windshield repair and replacement in the greater Phoenix area, $150 cash back. So you can start to kind of see just based on, the words that they're using, the headlines, everything else, links, windshield replacement, Phoenix, that type of stuff as well. All right. What we're going to move to now is Google AdWords, and using that in order to do keyword research. So I'm going to get into my AdWords account, and then you can go ahead and sign up for an AdWords account. It's free. You don't have to pay any money to use this service. It's a good place to sign up. You can mess around in AdWords as well, but also get your keyword research that you want to do. So I'm in a campaign right now that is obviously not active, but I'm going to go to this tools up here. And from tools, I'm now going to head over to this planning section. And what you'll see here is keyword planner. Okay. So I'm going to click keyword planner, open that up. And within Keyword Planner, I'm going to have the ability to find keywords. So get keyword ideas that can help you reach people. And I can also get search volume and forecasts. See search volume and other metrics for your keywords, how they might perform. This one's more if we're getting ready to run a PPC campaign. For right now, we're just going to go with this Find Keywords tool. So I'm going to enter a URL. So let's take SafePro. I'll copy that, and I'm going to put them in here. Let's take the entire site, And I think, yeah, we can enter multiple if we want as well. Oh, okay, I was wrong. And we're going to go ahead and click get started. Now, basically what this is going to do is it's going to take that site, like the research that we did, and it's going to look at what the keywords are, give you average monthly searches, and then also, like we talked about earlier, the competition of the keywords. So when we're looking at keyword research and strategy, we kind of want to find that happy medium between, okay, this is a keyword that is not extremely competitive, but also has a decent number of monthly searches to where, hey, if we can get a percentage of those searches and that traffic to our site, we think our client would be pretty happy. So as you'll see here, you've got a ton of information. You can download this stuff, export it, throw it into Excel to manipulate that around however you want. But you'll start to see windshield, Tucson, auto glass replacement, windshield repair, all these different keywords that are surrounding Safe Pro Auto Glass, which eventually is going to be keywords that we're going to put on our client's own site when we're building it out or when we're rearranging their SEO strategy for their existing site. So again, plenty of data. You'll just want to go through here, browse, look. Obviously, you want to look for high number of searches with decent competition. So if I'm browsing through here, let's see if I can find a decent one. 100 to 100 to 1,000 medium competition. You're going to find some general ranges. Let's see. Yeah, windshield replacement Phoenix, which was what we searched earlier, 1,000 to 10,000 average monthly searches, high comp. But anyway, depending, there's a lot of factors that go into this, what your client, where they are, what services they offer, things along those lines. But this will at least give you a ton of good information for what keywords might be worth targeting. All right. Last step now. So we've gone through researching competitors' sites. We've gone through looking at related terms on a Google search result. We've gone through Google Ads keyword planner, going through here just to identify, what keywords might be available. And then the last one that we use that I don't think is used enough is this Google Trends. So it's trends.google.com. And it's a really cool tool that Google has that allows you to see what people are searching for and what is trending. So there's obviously a lot of information already in here, but we're going to get to our specific stuff. So we'll go back to our original keyword, Phoenix windshield repair. And there it is. We'll go ahead and search. All right, and now we're going to get data on Phoenix windshield repair. We're going to get the actual number of searches that were performed, interest over time, trends, up, down. This will also help us to understand if our product or service is something that is time sensitive, right? When it might be more popular or less popular. You've got the ability to search different filters, past 12 months, categories. There's just a bunch of different type of stuff. Web search, image search, YouTube search, tons of good info in here. And we don't have any related queries. Okay, let me go back. I'm just going to run a more generic term. So let's just do the actual service, windshield repair. I want you guys to see this. So now we're just doing a more general search, obviously a more macro level, not specific. Here we go. So now I've got actual related queries for specific searches that are trending or are rising or are the top searches as well. So here's even more keywords that I can start to browse through. Windshield glass repair, a little bit different variation. Windshield repair near me. Chip repair windshield, crack windshield repair, windshield repair cost, window repair. So again, just a ton of good information. Cracked windshield repair kit. Okay, so I don't know, maybe we're selling repair kits. What else is in here? These are a bunch of cracked windshield repair cost. So that'd be a good keyword possibly to write a blog article about. And chipped windshield repair cost, mobile windshield repair near me. So again, Google Trends is another place that can give you a ton of great information. So that's kind of everything I wanted to do for this tutorial. Just kind of scratching the surface of keyword research. Obviously, the bigger and tougher part is taking all of your research, boiling it down and figuring out, okay, now what's my strategy? Where do I take this information that I have? But these tools that I've given you today are a great place to start with the Google search, looking at competitors, looking at competitors' source code, looking at Google Keyword Planner, and then at the end, Google Trends. Just a really, really great jumping off and starting point for you to do your keyword research for your client. So thanks for sticking with me on this tutorial. I know it was kind of just last minute. I got a webcam for my office, and so I wanted to try it out, and I'm sitting here late at night, but wanted to get this one in, and I know it was a request that somebody was looking for, so hopefully they'll find this useful. If you guys have any questions, please, we try and get back to you guys on comments as fast as possible. Leave comments below. Anything that I might not have been clear about or you want us to expound upon. And also, if you wouldn't mind, please like the video, share it possibly, or send it in an email if you know somebody that you could use the information. And also, we'd love if you could subscribe to our channel as well. We're really going to make a concerted effort moving forward to give you just these quick, very useful tutorials about web design or SEO, PPC, social media marketing, whatever else it may be. So thanks again, guys. I'm Rob Farian, Flying V Group. We'll have the blog post down below as well. You could go to our website, check out the blog post, and that'll kind of lay out in words everything that we covered in this tutorial. Thanks, guys. Have a good one, and looking forward to the next tutorial with everybody. Bye-bye.